Hey everybody, I hope you're having a wonderful day. So I just came across this really cool thing that doTerra is doing, and it fits along the lines of balancing your hormones because one of the biggest things or biggest complaints I get from people when it comes to their hormones is their sleep. They're not sleeping. So I found these really cool things, and I want to share it with you, and I'm going to be trying it myself. So what they have is these little kits. So this is called the sleep kit. And this is the first one. So what you do is you sign up and you get 3 kits, one per month for 3 months. I'm going to unveil this kit and show you what's in the first one. Every month is they have different things inside. They also have a mind and mood one, which would be great for hormones as well. A relief one, which is kind of like sore muscles, aches and pains, joints. Another one that would be good for hormones. Immunity, so keeping yourself healthy, and then respiratory. So those are the different options. So I'm going to unveil this one. I opened it already, but I'm going to open it with you and show you what's inside. So it's a little cute little bag here. And open it up. Like I said, it's something different in every single one that you get. So the first thing in this one is a little gratitude journal. Wow, pretty cool. It's really tiny, but there's like 30 days of lessons in here, like talking about rest, let yourself bloom, kind of asks you what are three ways you rest, and then think about your evening routine, the rest you take each night, and the breaks you take during the day. What do you deeply value about this time? What does it impact you for the better? And this goes on for 30 days, which this is pretty cool. And I think I'm going to put this by my bed and do this at night. So pretty cool, little tiny journal. That's one thing. The next thing we have is some bath salts. So this would be great to use right before you go to bed to kind of get you ready to go to sleep, calm you down. It has in it just bath salts. So this again, good for bath, because I think what I would do is I put this in my bath and then maybe put some Serenity in my bath water as well. Next out of the box is cedarwood. And just to let you know what cedarwood is, I'm going to read off the back of the package here. It says cedarwood is known for its rich hue and warm woody scent. Cedarwood is native to cold climates, thriving in high altitudes and growing up to 100 feet. Cedarwood oil has a grounding aroma. With soothing properties, the aroma of cedarwood oil promotes a relaxing environment when used topically or aromatically. So you could put this in your diffuser, or you could put it on the insides of your wrists or on the back of your neck. You could also dip a couple drops of this into your bathtub before you go to bed as well. So cedarwood, I like this one. Sometimes wood, there are some that are more woody that I'm not very much a fan of, but I really like this one. Next is my favorite, Serenity, which is called the Restful Blend. Serenity is, like I said, one of my favorites. I use this every night before bed. This is one I'll put on the inside of my wrists. I put on the bottoms of my feet and around my ankles. And like I said, if I take an Epsom salt bath, I will put about 4 or 5 drops of this in my bath as well. So just to read what it says about Serenity. The Serenity Restful Blend has a calming and relaxing aroma. This perfectly balanced, tranquil blend can be sensed immediately, transporting the user to a state of blissful repose. Serenity combines essential oils renowned for their ability to create a restful atmosphere at bedtime. So specifically for bed. This can be used for your kids. It can be used for you, whatever. Like I said, I usually do it, and I do it an hour before I go to bed. They also have some Serenity Restful Complex soft gels. So these, again, you could use before you go to bed. If maybe the oil is just not working enough and you need a little bit extra, these would be a great option. So I have not yet tried these, but I have tried other natural supplements that have a lot of the same ingredients in them, and they've worked really well for me because I don't wake up groggy, and I sleep really good. So let's see, here it says the Serenity Restful Complex is a combination of lavender oil, which again, I use lavender on its own for sleep, and natural plant extracts in a vegetarian soft gel. to help you get the refreshing sleep you need without leaving you feeling groggy the next day. That's so important because if you're already got hormone craziness and you're not sleeping, the last thing you want is to wake up and not have energy, right? The well-researched relaxing benefits of lavender essential oil and L-theanine are combined with lemon balm, passion flower, and chamomile to gently promote relaxation and sleep. Again, this is awesome because, like I said, I've tried other natural supplements that have had these in them, and so I'm looking forward to trying these. For me, on nights that I know that I have to get up early the next morning, I definitely take these because I know I'm always going to sleep good and I'm not going to wake up tired, especially if I have to wake up at 4:15. And the last little thing they have is Calmer, a little roll-on restful blend. I do not have this one, but this would be probably a good one that you could use at bed. You could also use it maybe during the day if you're just like feeling overwhelmed and stressed out. Let me go ahead and read what this says. Calmer blend promotes a calming and serene atmosphere, allowing bedtime to be a peaceful and welcome experience, combining the soothing properties of lavender, I don't know how to say that, Canagua, Buddha wood, and Roman chamomile essential oils in the base of fractionated coconut oil. Calmer can be used as part of your nightly routine. No dilution is required. So going back to that, sometimes if you have sensitive skin, you might want to use maybe some coconut oil. I don't have sensitive skin, and I like the full potency of all the oil, so I will just put this directly on my skin. But maybe try this instead. Rolling it behind your ears, on your back, on the back of your neck, on your feet, around your ankles, on your wrists, things like that. So anyway, I was excited when I saw this, and I'm so excited to get the next couple ones, and I will do the videos of the next couple ones that are coming, but we gotta wait till next month. But anyways, if you're interested in this, like I said, there is also one for mind and mood, fabulous, for hormones, relief, the achiness and joint pain that maybe you have going on, another good one for hormones, but there's also immunity and respiratory as well. If you're interested and you wanna know any more information on these, please reach out and let me know. I will get that to you. I can talk about it with you. I can explain to you which one maybe would work best for you. But yeah, I'm really excited about this and great for good sleep. So let me know if you need anything, or if you want to know any more about this, and have a great rest of your day.